And now we are approaching Mayanja Vitungu. We are still in Kibabi, but approaching Mayanja Vitungu. As you can see, the place is very nice. My brother, you are explaining the reason why the place was called Mayanja Vitungu.
Yeah, the place is famously known as Mayanja Vitungu.
Yes.
Vitungu is a Swahili word that means onions. The place is rich in onion farming. The Mayanja and Chwele is basically the food basket for this region. And it's not just limited to onions, but it's predominantly known for production of onions. So if you like onions in your dishes, then Mayanja is the go-to place for you.
Okay. Viewers, as you can see, we are entering the place where onions and tomatoes are plenty. Nadhani vingi vinatoka katika Mount Elgon.
Actually, Mayanja and Chwele
Yes.
are actually on the footsteps of Mount Elgon.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And which tribe resides at that place, at Mayanja?
Mayanja is mostly inhabited by the Bukusu. As you proceed to Chwele, you find a mix of Bukusu and the communities around Mount Elgon.
Like Teso.
The Teso, and then the Saboti,
Yes, yes.
and a few fragments of the Nandi.
Okay. And have you realized that this place people plant maize twice a year, or even thrice?
Yeah, actually, they have 2 seasons for growing maize,
Yes.
which is a staple food. Ugali, a product of maize, is a staple food this side. The maize can be consumed as ugali from its flour, or in other ways, let's say through a mixture of maize and beans,
Yes.
famously known as githeri.
Yes.
So maize is a very important crop in this part of the country, and it can be seen from its growth twice a year.
Okay. This place is called Bukananach. Bukananach Friend School. I've seen the Bukananach Friend School this side. Okay, guys, we are approaching Mayanja Vitungu. Ahead of us, as you can see, that one is what we call Mayanja Vitungu. It is a busy place. As you can see, people are moving here and there, doing business. Yaani watu wako busy, wanafanya kazi mahali hapa. Hapa kuna Galana Energy. Then apart from Galana Energy, kuna kuanga na hospitali mahali fulani hapa, clinic. A very busy one. I don't know. Maybe it may be pale nyuma.
Is it by the wayside?
Yeah, right side, wayside, right.
We've already gone past.
Elgon was, oh, yeah. Yeah. Now, this is Mayanja. When you turn left, you will be going to Malakisi.
Malakisi, then to Kolanya.
Yes, yes. But now, this is what we call Mayanja. You can see the place is very busy. Yani hata kupita tu na pikipiki ni taabu because our place is very busy. You can see vegetables, cabbage, vitunguu. Tumeongelea tu vitunguu. Now this is vitunguu. You can see all over. You can see onions all over. Now I have seen, nimeona hiyo tendi ya nini hapo kando. Ya machungwa mingi sana bana. Wow. The place is nice and very busy.
We are now in the heart of Mayanja town.
Yes.
The town is teeming with activity, with businessmen and businesswomen, with a variety of merchandise, all the way from grocery items to household items, clothing, and hardware items.
Yeah. It seems that today is the market day.
It looks like a market day.
Yeah. And today is on a Tuesday.
Yes.
This is what we call Mayanja Vitunguu. You can see Kenya Police Mayanja Vitunguu.
When was the first time you came to this place?
Last year, not on April. I was here April.
Yes.
I was visiting a place in Malakisi.
That was your first time here?
No. It was the second time. It was my second time to come. Now this is the third time I'm coming here.
I see you have had past acquaintances with this place.
Yes.
You are not as new as you look.
Yeah, you can see Mayanja Health Center. When you turn left, 500 meters from here. When you follow this way, where are you going?
I don't know. I'm not familiar. I only know the junction we left a few.
Now we should ask the.
That one heads to Malakisi, I guess. Malakisi, and then Sirisia market. Then
no, Sirisia. We should be going to Sirisia, by the way. Now let us find someone to ask the way. Tutafuta mtu tumuulize Sirisia.
You can ask as you go ahead.
Kama tumepita. Watoto. Oya, habari zenu? Tunaenda Sirisia, hebu nisalimie. Sirisia tunaenda wapi? Ama mjui Sirisia? Amjui Sirisia? Na nyinyi mnaishi huko hapa sinema yanje. Waje bro. Hello. Oya. Waje? Tunaenda Sirisia. Sijui tuende wapi. Tumeona kuna njia nyingine imeenda huko nyingine na okay. Hii iko sawa? Yes. Tuteremke. Itatufikisha Sirisia. Sawa, asante. Oh. Okay. Ni sawa, asante. You are being now, guys. We are going back there. Ile njia tuliacha kule nyuma. Tunaenda Sirisia. Kumaanisha watoto hii sehemu hawajui ma places. Unaona watoto tunawauliza Sirisia ni wapi wanasema.
No, they are young. They've not had sufficient time. No, the more you pass through time, the more you accumulate things.
Oh,
You accumulate knowledge, you accumulate impressions, you accumulate resources,
Yeah.
and everything that can be accumulated,
These are people
including learned emotions and behaviors.
Yeah. Can see people from the school. Saint what? Saint Monica. Saint Monica. Let me have one of them to. But let's just go. Let us just go.
Assuming Sirisia is a couple kilometers away, say 10 or 8,
Yes.
there's a very good chance some kids around here might not know about it
Yes.
or its whereabouts.
Sirisia. I think Sirisia is still in Bungoma County.
Sirisia is Bungoma County.
Okay.
The MP is Didmas Barasa.
Oh,
Yeah, Sirisia Waluke is John Waluke.
John Waluke.
Didmas is for Kimilili constituency.
Okay. So this one is Didmas Barasa's regime.
No, this is not. This is. I think I'm not sure whether this is Kandui constituency or
Okay.
Kabuchai. But once we set foot in Sirisia,
Yes.
we are in John Waluke's territory.
Okay.
Yes.
Now guys, we are running at 60 kilometers per hour.
How many?
60 kilometers per hour. This one. When we are approaching the corners, anything can happen. Tunaweza tukaangusha watazamaji.
Yes.
Nasema twende taratibu tusiweze kuangusha watazamaji. Now today is a nice day by the way. Tuliambiwa kwamba tuteremke.
We go right.
No, right or Yaro?
Yes.
Habari? Tunaenda Sirisia, tuende njia gani?
Sirisia.
Ama hapana jua wewe.
Kwa hiyo njia.
Hii tunaacha nyuma. Iko kona mingi sana huko ba. Ona kona iko mingi sana huko. Asante, Oria. Ni Oria ama Hero. Hii ni Hero.
Hero has more knowledge of your county than you, the local.
But I think we should refer from another person. Ni aje? Habari? Tuko tunaenda Sirisia, tufuate njia gani? Ni inatufikisha soko. Asante.
Umewahi enda kwa kina Magairo man? Nyumbani kwao?
Ni wapi?
Ni Kimilili.
Yes.
Huko ng'ambo.
Ni kama ile njia yenye tumeacha ingetufikisha Malakisi.
Yenye tumeacha wa
Yenye tumeacha saa hii.
Yeah.
Now the end of Tarmac Road.
This is the famous mwisho wa lami. Cool. So is it on?
Sorry?
On.
Oh.
Yes.
That's it.
Iko on.
It is on.
On.
Yes. This way we have a disaster ahead of us. Oh, not very bad. Mbunge wa huku ndakana wakumbuke watu wa Sirisi ama sijui tuko wapi, lakini mbunge wa hapa hivi, but it is Sirisi. Sirisi market. We are at the Sirisia market. Hapa angalia watu wanafanya biashara yao. Kwa kwenda nyumbani wanaenda nyumbani, kwa sababu ni masaa ya jioni, watu wanaenda nyumbani. Ukiwa hapa you can easily see Mount Elgon because this town is at the foot of Mount Elgon. Ile milima mnaona kule kando ni Mount Elgon. So meaning that crossing the other side will be at in Uganda. Sirisia Township Primary School is there. I think you have seen it. This one is a Muslim. A mosque, not a Muslim. Hii mambo ya Waislamu pia inanichanganya kidogo. Ni msikiti. Tumeweza kupita msikiti mahali pale. Wow, it is a nice town. Ni katown kadogo lakini nimeona the structures zinaonyesha kwamba it is a busy place. Kuna hapo Sirisia filling station on the left side. Amrek Cyber. Oh, alafu kuna Luna Investment, Hope Life Pharmacy. Mahali ukitaka kununua dawa, you carry it here. Then Sirisia Sub-County Hospital. Oh, now this is the Sub-County Hospital. I think you have seen here.